Welcome back to Customer States. From mechanical issues to wreaking havoc, buckle in as we dive through all sorts of mechanical problems. This vehicle just came back from being detailed, and it's safe to say the detailers used a little bit too much elbow grease. This was also flammable liquid, so not exactly the smartest thing to do.
The detailers got a little bit too excited.
Check out the Bluetooth ball joints on this Elantra. The only thing holding it on is the rubber boot, which the customer stated had been driven like this for weeks.
Uno memento. That's some tie rod play.
This customer returned angry that after the mechanic rotated their tires, there was a new clunking noise. The noise had nothing to do with the tires, and was actually more so the fact that they hit something in the undercarriage.
So this is the source of your noise. Looks like it got hit something on the road. This bracket is not straight. It's supposed to go through the hanger. And this heat shield is rubbing on the exhaust, and even the exhaust is dented here.
These new Hondas were recalled for a trailing arm bolt. The only way to replace the part is to remove the bolt, and half of them can't be removed. This is an example of one that can't be removed, which is then completely written off. This customer came in demanding wheel spacers and refused to be upsold on anything else, like maybe a control arm to control the vehicle from not killing you.
Amazing. A shiny new hub in there. Sheesh.
This is the intake on an eco-friendly Ram that's practically brand new. This is because of recirculating the emissions back into the intake. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Customer States to see more.